Now let's learn about phishing. Just type that ZPhisher here. You guys can able to see the GitHub page. Simple. Just go down a little bit slow, no problem. Just go down there. Here you guys can able to see. There is a installation Termux is there, right? You can easily install ZPhisher in Termux by using to repo. Now simple easily. We can able to install this by first of all just copy the first command, which is this one, pkg install. To repo, just copy it and just go back to your Termux and simple paste. There, okay, simple, just type and let's copy the second command as well, which is pkg installs Phisher. Let's go back to my Termux and simple. Me pasted pkg installs Phisher. Sorry, the connection is slow. So that's why it's lagging. Just type there pkg installs Phisher and just type y there. Simple now, just type ZPhisher and just type enter here. It will install the dependencies like Ngrok, each and everything. So you just need to wait. See, let me tell you one thing, guys. We just created a separate phishing course, okay, for this one for free. Okay, you just watch it. If you are not getting this class about phishing, then simple, just join our Telegram channel. There you guys can able to see the complete phishing training. Okay, it's around 1 hour or something. Okay, so you no need to worry here. So the simple thing is we are performing phishing by using this Cloudflare. We are not using Ngrok because Ngrok having some trouble whenever we just forward the pore. Assume that I am using the Ngrok. Okay, for this purpose. Okay, for phishing purpose. What will happen means whenever victim visit that Ngrok or all, he can't able to see the phishing page. Before phishing page, he will see the Ngrok page. Okay, like it's a free version. I have to visit this site. Just click that button or something like that. Okay, so it doesn't work. Okay, so that's why we need to use this Cloudflare. Let it, okay, just wait. It's taking some time to install these dependencies and these packages. So just wait now. Here you guys can able to see this thing, right? The shops are there. Like for pages for Facebook, Instagram, Google. So let me use PayPal, Steam, Mediafire, Razor. For any, you can select any of them. Okay, let me select for Mediafire, which is 31. Just type enter. See, here is the thing. The thing is, remember one thing, guys, don't use ng. Rock here, don't use this local expose. Simple, use this Cloudflare. Okay, flare something, I can't able to spell it right. Okay, now simple thing is just select this 13, just type enter. The custom port, I don't want any kind of custom port here. Just type no simple it. Will generate the link for you. Okay, the process is complete automation process. Okay, you no need to worry here. Okay, simple, just copy this link and send it to your target. See, let me tell you one thing, guys. Second link, just see the second link there to just see how legit it is. Okay, but it's using the HTTP. But let me tell you one thing, guys. Whenever the victim open this on Chrome, then he will see the red page or some warnings here. Okay, so that's why you need to use a URL one. Now simple, let me show you how it's going to work. In my case, let me copy it. This URL, let me copy it. Simple page URL. Here, let me see. Just send it to anyone. If you open it and if you type the credentials here, you guys can able to see that. Now this is a fake page. Basically, just wait. It's taking some time. So this is a fake page. It's having the SSL each and everything. See how legit it is. So simple. Let me type here the email, something like email or the rate email.com. The password, something like password login. If the victim click login here, just wait. Click on login. Nothing happening here. See, I'm clicking on login. Okay, it's nothing happening. Let's go back here and see in term marks. You guys can able to see the email and passwords. Just wait. It's little bit slow. Sorry for that. Because due to this ADB. Okay. And also I just connected with my VPN because due to this IP issues or something like that. So here you guys can able to see the passwords. See email, I just press the 3 times. The login button. So that's why I got this much results. So here you guys can able to see the things. Email@email. And the password is password which I typed there. Okay, this is how you guys can able to generate the phishing pages. Okay, it's a very easy. See, this class is only for the educational purpose. You no need to forward any port here. You no need to set up Ngrok. Okay, it's a very easy process. Hope you guys enjoy this class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now simple.